The question you may have is, how do I get started in designing landscape lighting? 25 years ago, I knew nothing about landscape lighting design, and as I saw the impact it had and the beauty it had, it really is something that was captivating to me. What I did starting off was demos. I didn't know landscape lighting, and I had a friend of mine that was running a business that I got to work for while I was in college, and I was doing nighttime demos. If you're looking to get started in landscape lighting, I can't recommend anything stronger than a demo kit. Setting up lights, first start on your own property, then ask some friends, neighbors, anybody else, can I set up a demo kit just to see what I can do with lighting? Get familiar with the luminaires, get familiar with the light output, the look, the feel. Try different light levels, try different lighting techniques. Nothing is going to be better than the actual hands-on experience of actually using the lights and seeing the impact they have. After that, working with lighting designers. At Sterling Lighting, we have a lot of designers on our team, and our team can help you. You could send us photos of your demos. You could show us a project you may be looking for, and we could give our suggestions on lighting design. But those two things of demo kits and then also design assistance can really help elevate you in landscape lighting design and give you years of experience in a very short period of time. I would recommend those two things along with Sterling Lighting's design assistance program. You could look like a true lighting pro in no time. At Sterling Lighting, we have developed more content and more information on our product line than any other product out there. That's why all of our products go through third-party verification for the light output, the energy usage, and has full documentation. We're also creating a video library of how the product is best used, different applications, so that you could have a wealth of information. We want to be very open and transparent on all of our products, give you as much information as possible, and that's why we're developing the Sterling Learning Hub so that you could really understand how that light's going to perform, look at the IES files, look at all the information, the third-party verification on all our products, so you know exactly how that light's going to perform in your lighting designs.